What's on the left side of this equation? I have a variable. What's on the right side of the equation? P. What does it mean if you have variables next to each other? What operation is that? Multiplication. So would we agree that this says P times R times T? P, R, T, I, they all represent numbers, right? They're variables. They all represent something that you don't know. If the question says solve for T, my goal is to isolate my T. At the very end, I want to rearrange this to have T by itself. So why don't we switch this around? I'm going to put PRT equals I. You don't have to. It's just because we've been working with variables isolating on the left side. You can do it either way, but this might be easier for you to understand to start off with. Okay? Does everyone agree that I equals PRT is the same as PRT equals I? Right? Okay, so I have something times T. How do you get rid of an operation if it's multiplication? Division, right? To isolate T, what should I divide by? P and what else? R. What should I do to the right side of the equation? Whatever you do to the left side, you must do to the right side. So on the left side, I divided by PR. What do I have to do on the right side? Divide by PR. You can't. We don't know what it is, right? So we only have our T. That was my goal. T equals I divided by PR. That's it. I can't solve this. I don't know what P is. I don't know what I is. I don't know what any of this is, but I've just rearranged my equation. All you're doing is rearrange to isolate T. Okay, so this question, we're solving for A. My goal is to isolate A. What should we get rid of? Draw an imaginary line. What should we get rid of from the left side of the equation? Z. How do I get rid of Z? Take it away. Right? Same thing you're doing, except instead of numbers, they're letters, okay? So I have A-N equals S minus K minus Z, right? How do I isolate A? The question says A multiplied by N. To get rid of that, I divide by N. Divide by N. Have I isolated A? Yep. So what's the answer? A equals S minus K minus Z divided by N. That's it.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.